I wonder what unicorns eat. Maybe pollen from magic flowers or rainbow juice. Everything is way simpler. Watch our new video on how to cook amazing dishes for the magic creatures from regular products. Knocking on the door? Who's there? Oh, it's a box. I wonder what's there inside. It's heavy. Miss Gonzalez opens the box and sees she's never expected that. It's a cute unicorn looking at her from the box. It's amazing! But what shall I do with it? Miss Gonzalez is a cooking guru, but she doesn't know anything about the magic animals. The unicorn must be hungry, and this is Miss Gonzalez's department. Let's start with healthy oatmeal. But the unicorn doesn't seem to like it. The animal has turned unhappy and weak. I suggest different products to choose from. Maybe dates? No. A cookie? No again. Oh, I know, a boiled egg. But the unicorn is so sad, as if life has given it lemons. What if I give it a lemon? It doesn't want it. I've got an idea. My animal needs to see a doctor. Miss Gonzalez is in line to a vet. Other animals pale in comparison with my unicorn. This vet fairy specializes in curing all magic creatures. They say it was her who invented antipyretics for phoenixes and dragons. Now she's got a private practice. I show her my distressed pet. It doesn't eat anything at all. It refuses everything. What's happening? Is it ill? But the vet calms Miss Gonzalez down. It's a unicorn, and they don't eat boring food. They need a special diet. The more cute and colorful yummies they have, the better. We will need marshmallow, condensed milk, confectionery decoration, and wooden skewers. Stick a marshmallow onto a skewer. Take a decoration with tweezers. Dip it into the condensed milk and attach it to the top. Make 2 small ears shaped like drops from sugar paste. Add a horn. Attach them using the condensed milk. Draw unicorn's eyes with a food marker. The unicorn swallows the marshmallow immediately. You bet! This is exactly what the magic animal needs. The vet fairy writes down the rainbow diet thoroughly. If you follow the prescription, the unicorn will never refuse your food again. Challenge accepted! The master chef studies all the recommendations carefully and starts cooking. If the pet eats only rainbow food, it's time to cook rainbow spaghetti. Miss Gonzalez conjures something near the stove. She uses her magic and bright thoughts. Add blue, pink, and yellow food colorings into different pots with water and cook spaghetti in colored water. The lunch is ready! I put the rainbow pasta into a plate and offer it to my unicorn. It's so delicious! The unicorn's playing with a good knife and fork. At last! This is the food appropriate for the creature. It looks so happy, wagging its tail cheerfully. Inspired by the success, Miss Gonzalez starts cooking dessert. The unicorn is going out of its way to see what she's cooking, but the master chef doesn't allow it peeping. Let it be a surprise. Finally, the tender cake pops are ready. Smash cookies into fine crumbs. Add some condensed milk. Mix it. Be sure not to pour too much of the condensed milk. The mass shouldn't be liquid. Make balls. Dip sticks into melted chocolate and attach the balls. Melt confectionery chocolate of different colors. Dip a ball, letting the chocolate cover it all over, and decorate it with sprinkles before the chocolate hardens. Miss Gonzalez puts the cake pops onto a shelf and waits. I can smell the rainbow! It's exactly what you need for a unicorn dessert. The cake pops are so bright and delicious, and the colorful sprinkles stay on my lips. Miss Gonzalez is thrilled to bits with the rainbow recipes. She's found out a secret ingredient of cuteness, so she keeps adding it in all of her dishes. For example,